Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by freeing resources and verifying basics. Close heavy apps and stop background sync so the virtual desktop gets CPU and RAM now. Next, check your network. Plug Ethernet for stable bandwidth and test latency. Less than 30 milliseconds is ideal. Once done, enable hardware acceleration or GPU pass-through in hypervisor settings to offload rendering. This reduces frame drops. Make sure to save settings and reboot the VM so changes apply cleanly before moving to deeper tuning. Now you tune for steady performance. Increase virtual CPU count and allocate 1/2 or more of needed RAM, but avoid starving the host. Balance matters. Then adjust display settings, reduce resolution, use 60 Hz and lower color depth to cut bandwidth and GPU load. On the host, update GPU and network drivers, disable background services you don't need, and set a high-performance power plan. Once these are configured, test under typical workload and monitor CPU, GPU, and network metrics to confirm improvement. Finish by locking in the successful configuration. Reserve CPU and memory for the VM where possible and take a snapshot so you can revert if needed. If lag persists, run diagnostics for packet loss and jitter. Intermittent network issues often cause stuttering. Make sure to check router CoS and switch to a less congested channel or VLAN. As a fallback, enable adaptive bitrate or tweak the remote display codec settings to prioritize smoothness over image fidelity. If all else fails, restart host and VM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.